Imagine soaring high above the world, the wind rushing around you, the ground a dizzying blur beneath. You're not dreaming, you're experiencing the adrenaline-pumping world of first-person view drone piloting. As we begin this journey, we're instantly transported above a serene, crystal-clear lake, the surface shimmering like a vast mirror reflecting the sky. The drone dives and swoops, skimming the water's surface, offering a bird's-eye view of the tranquil scene. Next, the drone whisks us away to a bustling cityscape. We weave through skyscrapers, the steel and glass giants reaching towards the heavens. The drone's nimble agility allows us to experience the urban jungle from angles and perspectives that were once unimaginable. From there, we're teleported to an ancient forest, the drone darting and weaving through the dense canopy. The sunlight filters through the leaves, casting a mesmerizing dappled pattern on the forest floor. The drone's camera captures the majesty of nature in its purest form, the untouched wilderness sprawling out in all directions. The drone then navigates an abandoned factory, its walls echoing with the ghosts of industry past. The drone's flight through the weathered structures offers a fascinating juxtaposition of technology and decay, a testament to the passage of time. Finally, we end our journey at a breathtaking mountaintop, the drone hovering at the peak, offering a 360-degree panorama of the world below. The footage is a testament to the drone's capacity to capture the grandeur of our world, from the highest peaks to the deepest valleys. In sum, this video showcases the most stunning footage and locations from the world of FPV drone piloting. From tranquil lakes and bustling cities to ancient forests and abandoned factories, these drones provide a unique perspective on our world. And with the breathtaking mountaintop vista, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring beauty that surrounds us. If only we have the courage to soar.